Here I've got the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and I'm gonna show the top tricks of its camera. At first you have to click on the camera button here, and now let's take a look at all of these settings around. We start with the flash. As you can see, we can turn off flash, we can also turn on auto flash and turn on flash every time we take a picture. I'm going to turn it off because I don't need it right now. And the next preset here is camera timer, so we can choose the taking picture delay from 2, 5 and 10 seconds. I'm going to pick 2 seconds to show you how it works. And now I'm going to turn it off. The next preset here is the ratio, so we can pick the preferred resolution of taking picture and also pick the highest resolution of this camera. And this is also cool because we have the camera on the full screen. I'm going to stay on this ratio. And the next one is motion photo. We can turn it off and on here. And I'm going to go to show you how it works. So I turn it on. And here we have the preview of taking picture. And as you can see, here is the view motion photo button. And it takes us to simple short video here. And now here we have the filters, so we can make our picture more beautiful before we take it, and also the slider with the intensity of taking picture. And now let's take a look on the settings here. Here we have the scene optimizer, we can turn it on and off. And also here we have the zooms and the area of taking photo. So as you can see, the Samsung devices has a wide spectrum of these zooms to 100, which is very close. I'm going to stay on this one. And also when we tap on the screen, we have this slider and we can make our picture more brighter and more darker as we need. And now let's take a look on this settings bar here. Here we can manage the modes of taking pictures and also video. And this is useful because this is the Samsung mode single take, and it gives us a series of pictures and short clips by one. And it takes time, so I'm going to show you how it works. And we go to the preview. As you can see, it gives us at first a short video, and here it loading the other pictures and videos, and it takes time, so I'm going to show you something I prepared before I've made this video, and it's here. And as you can see, it shows us 2 photos and 3 videos in different modes and parameters. And now we go on this slider to more. And here we have more modes to pick from, and here we have tips, so we can read about all these modes and pick the preferred one by us as we need. And now I'm going to the main camera, to the settings here, and as you can see, there are more advanced. I go down to useful features. The first one is Auto HDR. And this is very useful, and I recommend you to turn it on because HDR improves the details in the brightest and darkest areas of taking picture. So it makes our pictures more colorful, lightful and beautiful. It's just good. And the next one is tracking autofocus here. And when we turn it on, it tracks the main subject on the camera screen. So I'm gonna show you how it works. We tap on the main subject here and it follows us when we move. And the next one is the grid lines, grid lines. Here we have these lines. Can improve our photo when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography, for example. And the next one are location tags. So when we have turned it on, we can save the place where we take pictures. And now we go to the shooting methods. This is very useful also because first is the voice control, so we can take pictures with just one word without touching the screen and with some distance. So I'm gonna show you how it works. For example, smile, and as you can see, it takes a picture with this word. The other thing here is the floating shutter button. So we have the button on the main screen, and we can manage them and taking pictures by just one click on this anytime we need. And the last thing I want to show, after turning it on all of these parameters, we sometimes may want to turn back to auto parameters. We can reset settings here by just 2 clicks. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.